It is indeed a lovely evening today because we're going to be having our first subscriber meetup in Coimbatore. I can't wait to leave this room and meet you guys. So the meetup is going to be held at Araspuram Cafe Coffee Day. A few folks are already here. We're going to take me from here to there. So I've been waiting for this for a very long time. A lot of folks have been pinging me and asking me when we will be having the meetup. So today is the day. I'm going to be meeting with you folks and we're going to have a lot of fun. So let's go. All right. I hope my baby doesn't give me problems today. All right. All right. That's my baby. Oh. I've never been so excited. I was when we had the first meetup in Chennai, but this is a different place, different set of people, so yeah, it's a different set of people, so I'm excited. I'm like a 12-year-old kid right now. You guys won't believe when I said that my bike had broken down and I put an Instagram post, there were so many people calling me, so many people texting me, messaging me. It was so amazing. I owe a lot to this community. I owe a lot to these people. That's one reason why I love this community. One of the reasons. There are so many other reasons. Oopsie. Chennai meet பண்றோம், கோயம்புத்தூர்லயும் meet பண்றோம்.
முன்னாடி மீட் பண்ணிருக்கீங்களா?
இது சென்னை சப்ஸ்கிரைபர் மீட்டப்ல வந்திருந்தாரு. ஏய் சூப்பர். பேரு? விஜய். விஜய், nice to meet you.
கிஷோர்.
கிஷோர், nice to meet you.
என்ன பைக் ரெடி பண்ணிட்டீங்களா?
ஆமா, ரெடி ஆயிடுச்சு. ஹை.
ஹலோ ப்ரோ.
பேரு?
நோனிஷேரி. பிரேக்ஃபாஸ்ட் எதுன்னு?
nice. Sorry man, வர முடியல.
No problem.
So I'll just உங்க பேரு?
ஈஸ்வர் ப்ரோ. ஈஸ்வர்.
Nice to meet you man.
ப்ரோ நிதிஷ்.
நிதிஷ், nice to meet you.
தினேஷ் ப்ரோ.
தினேஷ், nice to meet you man.
ஞானகிஷோர்.
ஞானகிஷோர், so nice to meet you man. உங்க பேரு?
அஸ்வின்.
அஸ்வின். யார் அசோக்?
அசோக் ப்ரோ.
அசோக், nice to meet you.
Thank you.
உங்க பேரு?
உதயா.
உதயா, so nice to meet you. சிவா,
ப்ரோ.
nice to meet you man. வணக்கம் மக்களே, இது உங்கள் பாசத்துக்குரிய மெட்ராஸ் மோட்டார் மண்டையன். I'm here in Coimbatore and see whom I am with me. Coimbatore! Another time. Coimbatore! That's more like it. உங்க பேரு?
விஜய் ப்ரோ.
உங்க பேரு?
ராகுல்.
Nice.
ப்ரோ நிதிஷ்.
நிதிஷ்.
ஷாம் ப்ரோ.
ஷாம்.
ப்ரோ.
மறந்துட்டீங்களா? மீட்டப்புக்கு வந்திருக்கோம். உங்க பேரு?
தர்ணி ப்ரோ.
Nice to meet you man.
விஜய். கிஷோர். டொனால்ட்.
பரணி.
கோகுல். கிருஷ்ணா.
Man with tiger.
எபி.
Karthik. Ashwin. Udaya.
அர்ஜுன் ப்ரோ.
Arjun. Ashok. Hey, we met in Chennai.
நிதிஷ்.
Ishwar.
சிவா.
Dinesh. Kishore.
விஜய் ப்ரோ. Why you choose the name as a Madras Motorhead?
Okay, very good question. I was waiting for somebody to say this. I was born in Trichy, for those who do not know. Then during that point in time when people make a lot of friends, that adolescence time, I moved to Chennai. So at that point in time it was a little difficult for me growing up because I couldn't make a lot of friends, and the shift transition was a little, and Trichy is a pretty small town at the time. Now it's growing, but Chennai appove was big. So my dad was into motorcycles, like everybody else's dad who loves motorcycles. Enga appakum pidichirundhu. So I was a motorhead even when I was a kid.
Deep breath. Yeah. Oh my God, he's really doing it.
So I was also a motorhead. That was there. But I wanted to put something that really made me a person who I am right now, which I give credit to Chennai. But I didn't really like the name Chennai to be put as Chennai Motorhead. It doesn't make sense. I thought Madras Motorhead would do more sense. That's the story behind Madras Motorhead. Yeah. And Madras Motor Monday ne was நிறைய பேர் கமெண்ட் போட்டே சாவடிச்சாங்க. தமிழ்ல பேசுங்க bro, தமிழ்ல பேசுங்க bro, தமிழ்ல பேசுங்க bro. So now I was like, okay.
Over video la வந்து Madras Motorhead னு சொல்வீங்க, or Monday னு சொல்வீங்களா? இதுவா இல்ல அதுவா?
Okay, that's good. That's a good thing. I'll probably stick to one thing going forward so that people don't get confused. And the reason why I do it in English is because I want to reach out to a wider audience. And that's the only reason. Tamil la panna maatena onnu keiyaadu. See, I know Tamil, Telugu and Hindi. So moodhu pannalam adha. But the point I'm sticking to English is because it's a medium between a lot of other languages. And the only reason alla. Yeah. Thanks for the question.
Vikas bhai எப்படி பிடிச்சீங்க?
Okay, so for those who do not know about Vikas bhai, என்னோட first company la அவர் தான் என்னோட boss.
Oh wow.
So I was reporting to him every day. And so அவர் வந்து he really liked the passion that I had towards motorcycles, and it's been a very big motivation behind that as well. I'll give credit to him that I was doing. And அவரை கன்வின்ஸ் பண்ணி ஹார்லி வாங்க வச்சது நான் தான்.
அந்த புனிதமான காரியத்தை நீங்க தான் பண்ணீங்க.
அவர் வந்து மோஜோ அந்த மாதிரி வண்டி பார்த்துட்டு இருந்தாரு. பட் ஐ வாஸ் வெரி ஷுர் தட் அவர் யூ won't be happy with that bike. I'm not saying Mojo is a bad bike. It's a beautiful bike. Given the chance, நான் வாங்கிட்டு இருக்கேன். I was just close to buying that. So all of that being said and done, yes. So Vikas bhai was my
Honorable boss.
Harley boss. Ex-Harley boss.
Bro, Vikas bhai.
Everybody scream for Vikas bhai. Vikas bhai, 3, 2, 1. Hey, bro. Hey, wait, bro.
Shashank, what is the plan for 2019? எத்தனை ரைட் பிளான் பண்றீங்க?
Okay.
ஏதாவது பெரிய அட்வென்ச்சர் ரைட் இருக்கா?
2018 I wanted to do a lot of things, to be honest. But நிறைய விஷயங்கள் சரியா போகல. Lot of family commitments. Unfortunate, a lot of incidents happened. So ரொம்ப டீடைல்டா போக வேண்டாம். So bottom line is என்ன பண்ணணும்னு நினைச்சா அது பண்ண முடியல. So this 2019 I'm planning for Leh Ladakh, number 1. அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து I will try to finish most of the places in Tamil, I mean in south, like ஊட்டி இருக்கு, கொடை இருக்கு, ஊட்டிலேருந்து மசனகுடிக்கு ஒரு ரூட், just for example. ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி நிறைய அன்ஃபினிஷ்ட் ஏரியாஸ் இருக்குது. ஸோ அதெல்லாம் முடிக்கிறதுன்றது தான் என்னோட 2019 பிளான். ஸோ தட் 2020 I can probably start exploring north side, like லோனாவலா இருக்குது, லவாசா இருக்குது, மகாபலேஸ்வர் இருக்குது, போயிருக்கேன் ஏற்கனவே. பட் I still want ராஜஸ்தான் இருக்குது, go to Gujarat, நிறைய இடம் இருக்குது, லைக் ஷில்லாங், சிக்கிம், பூட்டான், you name it, Nepal இருக்குது. So there are a lot of places. So yeah, I'm pretty excited for 2019. Another major thing that I have on my mind is to inspire as many people as possible, and that is the reason why I actually started this. நிறைய பேர் வந்து கேட்டிருக்காங்க saying நிறைய பேர் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. I don't blame them, but what I'm saying is எப்படி கேட்பாங்க அப்படின்னா யூடியூப்ல எவ்வளோ காசு வருது அப்படின்னு கேட்பாங்க. So it's a very
seriously, I want to ask that question.
Sure, I'll answer that for sure. So my point is, this is out of the context of 2019, but still one of those things which I want to do even after 2019. Awareness, for example, Nano Shivavu and we were going, we figured out Nano Ivunu Peter seeing so many people without helmets. நிறைய பேர் touring போறாங்க, but they don't have proper gear. So அதோட awareness முடிஞ்ச வரைக்கும், so to let people know why you should wear gears, why you should buy good helmets, all of those things. And yeah, let's see, let's inspire, let's grow together, and let's explore as much as possible. Sure. Why did I go for the street triple? Another good question. I've been eyeing on this bike since 2016. So 2016 itself, I went and I saw a few bikes. Did you guys get the question? Why did I buy the street triple? From 2016, I've been eyeing on this bike. I am partly from Coimbatore. My dad's family is from Coimbatore.
Okay.
So I've got roots of Coimbatore as well. So
What is story?
yeah, we just finished your story.
My story. Yeah.
Ex-boss.
See, everybody knows who you are.
Ex-boss, huh?
Ex-boss.
Ex-boss.
So, so to answer your question, service 1 year or 10,000 kilometers. Check for me. Does it have the power? Check. Weight to power ratio. Check. Is it a good brand, reliable brand, not just in India but throughout the world? Check. So about it. And did it fit my budget? Yes, it did. So, but I'm not gonna say how much I bought it for. yeah. For marriage. Okay. Okay.
விஷயத்தில் நீ கரெக்டா இருக்கடா.
So the question is if I'm single or not, and when I'm getting married. So that's the question. So
Mandatory question.
mandatory question.
Definitely.
So I am single and I'm not married, obviously. And they are looking out for a girl. So I might get hitched in about 2 years maximum. So I hope to get a girl who really likes to ride as well. Let's see.
Say about anything for the Madras model.
It's a 18 plus question. 18 plus question, anything.
विकास भाई थोड़ा संभाल के.
He's warning me upfront. So yeah.
Sorry.
Like, yeah, it's pick and choose. It's very easy for him, but he's a very choosy guy, you know. Like with choosy, you know, right? So though he has multiple options, he will ensure he is with the best all the time.
भाई थोड़ा those guys can.
In any case, either it is,
Okay.
though it may be clothes, girls, or even bikes, he's very choosy actually in his character actually. Or even,
Hello.
know about it.
even with his editing actually, I'll tell you like one thing we keep fighting. We frequently fight on one thing. To keep this short or not to keep this short. To keep this photo, not to keep this photo. Like, so every other day we used to have some kind of fight actually, which will erupt because of this thing only. Because he is very choosy in nature actually. So he is very particular about his thought. Like he thought he will do something in certain manner. He ensures that it happens and that falls in place. If it doesn't happen, you know, like what's going to happen next thing. So that's one thing about him. Another thing, like he's very dedicated. I have seen, like very dedicated. So even he can afford to bunk from his office saying he's sick, but he will be sitting at home. Even though he's sick, he will sit and edit the video actually. So that kind of dedication he is having. So
That is not dedication.
that's or maybe madness, you can say. So that kind of thing I see in him. I'm not like that. So I'm sick, I'll sleep. So yeah. Anything else in specific you want to ask? You can ask me open.
How much you earn by YouTube?
Okay, great. So the question is how much money I make through YouTube, right? In the first few videos that I uploaded, I think it's 25 or 30, I didn't monetize my videos at all. Because I wasn't relying on YouTube for money. Right? YouTube was more like a passion, a hobby. And as I said earlier, I wanted to inspire as many people as possible, right? So that's the main sole purpose why I started. And then I realized that, you know, say for example, this is YouTube, right? And this is your passion. Let's forget YouTube, this is your passion. If you are working really hard towards it, right, you'll get a lot of byproducts. That's how I see it. For example, money, or sponsorship, or fame, or fan base, whatever you want to call it as. You be true to something, you'll get all of those things automatically. So through YouTube, I don't make a lot of money. I got my first $100 check probably 1.5 years after I even, you know, after my first upload, I got it after 100. 1.5 years. Yeah, somebody asked me about motivation, right? It was a good reward, it was a motivation to me. But is that the sole reason why I do YouTube now? And the ad rates in India are very, very less. And I mean, if somebody is looking to do YouTube full time, like, you know, as your sole income, then you should have a really good strategy. If you really have that, then go ahead and do it. But yeah, not much, and I don't really I'm not really keen in getting a lot of money from YouTubers.
Any suggestions that you can give for upcoming vloggers over here?
Yeah. Good thing. So for upcoming moto vloggers, anybody. So I mean, what I do, I see it as moto vlogging. It is not vlogging as such. So yeah, vlogging is the bigger umbrella, and then you have moto vlogging, all the other vlogging inside. So so if somebody wants to, whatever. You want to go? So if somebody wants to start vlogging, right, a channel on YouTube, make sure that you have a goal. You must know what you are trying to do with that channel. Who is going to be your audience? What are you trying to tell them? What are you trying to convey? What is the message? Right? Have that thing very well set. And you should be also very, very disciplined. Because if you want to really do something that you've never done before, then you have to be someone you've never been before. So that is how I see it. And be yourself. You don't have to be someone else in front of the camera, and then behind the camera you're somebody else. So the number one thing is to be yourself, and don't overdo anything, don't underdo anything. Try to take criticism as your stepping stone to improvement. Don't take it too hard. Be as diplomatic as possible, and most importantly, have fun, because that's a hobby. That should be your passion. So take it seriously, but not too seriously. That should be a very good journey. When you look back about, in 2 years, then you should feel proud about what you're doing. And so that is what I would say. Sorry, I wasn't seeing that right.
It was audible.
Yeah, okay, great. So, the whole sole purpose is to have fun.
Have you been inspired by someone?
Sorry?
Inspired by someone?
Have I been inspired by someone? Yeah, even you are an inspiration to me right now. No, I'm serious. Everybody here is an inspiration to me. So I take inspiration from. So if you're looking, if you want me to name a few persons who have inspired me on YouTube, then yeah, there are a lot. If you say, right from you have something called like Royal Sultanian, you got Baron von Trumbull, you have you've got Irfan Junejo, you've got Ibrahim, there's one new guy who's come, you have Mumbai Karnikal, you have Strel, who's from Bangalore, you have so many other people. You have Call Free Traveler from Chennai, you have who else is there?
JS Films.
Yeah, JS Films is there. A lot of people are there. So the point is, I watch everybody, and I make sure that I get the best out of each and every person. So that's how I look at it. That's my inspiration. It's not like I don't like anybody. Even if somebody makes very normalish content, there is something unique about that person, right? So that's how I look at inspiration. So yeah. So I want to thank each and everybody who has come here. We had an amazing time. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, do hit the like button, do hit the share button, do hit the subscribe button, and also the bell icon right next to it. Take care, guys. Ride safe, ride hard, and always remember, when life gives you problems, No? Thank you. எப்படி இருக்கீங்க?
நான் உங்களை பார்க்க வரதான் நினைச்சேன், பட் கொஞ்சம் வர்க் வர முடியல.
ஓகே. No problem.
பைக் செட் ஆயிடுச்சா?
பைக் சரியாயிடுச்சுங்க.
சரி ப்ரோ, சேம் ரைட் ப்ரோ, பார்த்து வீட்டுக்கு போங்க.
கண்டிப்பா. Take care and thank you so much.
Bro, take care bro, bye bro.
Sure, take care.
Thanks bro.
No problem. Bye.
Bye bro.